Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, we are doing another $10,000 a month covered call challenge. Now, I believe this is either week 7 or week 8. I kind of lost track, guys, because I actually did skip a week or two just because nothing really that great has been going on with my portfolio, I'll be honest. Now today we saw some great momentum and hopefully it's just up from here. I mean, I'm sure we'll have some red days, but hopefully that was the bottom and we just start working our way up to the top again. So like I said, I probably skipped about a week or two, but I'm still going to label this one week 7 or week 8, whichever one it was supposed to be. Now this video is just going to be a quick update because like I said, not very much has been happening in these last couple weeks here. I've sold a couple more covered calls on BNGO, GVO, Sens, and a couple more on my TD Ameritrade account, but my TD Ameritrade account, I was only making, I think, not even $1,000 this month, guys. So obviously we are way down from where we began, and I hope to get to those levels again. I think we will. If we keep seeing movements like this, we'll get back up there pretty quick. But I'm just being patient, because there's nothing we could do but just kind of wait it out. And hopefully we'll be able to capture some of those nice premiums eventually. So as you can see today, absolute killer day. We're up 11% on the portfolio, which is great. I'm not complaining, but we still have a long way to go before I'm even break even on a lot of these stocks. So BNGO today alone, this thing is up almost 23%. It's down 2% after hours, so around 21%. So still pretty crazy. We need a couple more days like this to really get back to a decent level. I think if I get back into the $10 level, I think I'll be able to capture some pretty good premiums. But as of right now, still at $7 when I bought in at 14, I'm still down 45% or 49%, my bad. So it's just going to take some time. That's BNGO. Sensonics is up 12%, GVO 8%, and then I don't know, I just have a partial share of Coinbase. So now what actually happened earlier this week is I had a BNGO covered call for the $7 strike price, which I actually had to buy back, and I sold the $10 one. Now this one might actually almost get hit too if things keep going this way, but I might have to buy this one back too. I might have to take a little bit of a loss. As you can see, I only made 28 bucks from this one, and I'm down about 80 bucks. So not super great, not too happy about that, but that's the risk you take when you're selling covered calls below your strike price. If this was actually above my share price, not strike price, my bad. If this was above my share price, then I would just be fine. I'd be like, all right, whatever. If it exercises, it exercises. But I do have to watch these because I am selling covered calls below my share price. Now in this video, I'm actually not going to show you guys my spreadsheet. I don't even think I'm going to update it just for this month. I know I should probably keep track of it, which I probably will go back and keep track of it, but literally I haven't made even close to maybe I made about $1,000 this month, but I highly doubt it. Really isn't that great. Obviously, since this is $10,000 a month challenge, it really sucks because we started off really strong. I was making close to, I think it was 7 or 8 grand the first month, and now we're down to $1,000. So like I said, we just have to be patient. I know some people are going to be watching this series saying, oh, well, this is the $10,000 a month challenge. Why aren't you doing $10,000 a month? But like I said, it is a challenge. It's not something I expect to get to really quick. I got lucky my first month, and I think we'll work our way back up to those levels. But for now, we just have to be patient and see where things go. Now, before I leave, I just want to show you guys some of the stocks that I have covered calls on that I think you guys might be interested in. So ChargePoint is one. This one is great. I'm down on this one, just barely though. I think I got in at $27 or $28. So this one had a nice run. Let's just see what the options here are. Let's do a month out. So we'll do May 21st. We could do May 28th. But this one has decent premiums. I mean, they're not super crazy, but decent premiums actually for only putting in about 26 to 3 grand. So this is a stock I see growing for sure. Now another one that I was in that I showed you guys last time was Skills. This thing is taken off, and I'm actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna get exercised on this one. Definitely. But now if we go over to the options here, as you can see, this one has some pretty good premiums too for only putting in about 2 grand. So I wish I set my strike price a little bit higher, but I bought into this one around 19, and I think I had a strike price of 21. So I think I'm going to get exercise, and I had 200 shares. So I'll get whatever I got for the premiums, and then plus I'll get about $400 in profit. So that's pretty good. Now this is kind of beside the point, but I also did get a call option on NEO. I didn't sell a covered call, I just actually bought a call option. This is completely different than selling a covered call, but I just want to show you guys this. I believe I bought the $25 or $27 strike price, and it was only about $1,700 at the time. So I'm doing pretty good on some of these things, but we're still definitely need to recover. I mean, if you look at Virgin Galactic, this one is just depressing. I mean, it did decent day today. Hopefully they have a test flight and this boosts up the stock price. But over the last 3 months, yeah, it's down huge. And I got into this around, I think, 52, 54. So I am getting absolutely crushed on this. And there's no point really to sell covered calls on this one, since I'm, so far deep in this. I mean, if I want to pick up like, $18 and risk it or whatever, then I could do that. But I'm just going to let this one ride out. If it still doesn't recover by the end of this year, I'll probably sell it, take it as a tax loss, and just move on. I do believe in the company long term, but they definitely need to get moving here soon. But anyways, that is basically it for today's video, guys. I know it's kind of just a quick little update, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging because I know I haven't been posting for a couple weeks now. Like I said, nothing too interesting, that's why. But don't worry, I'm not giving up on the challenge. I'm still headed towards it. Just it takes time to make money in the market, and I'm sure we'll get there, but it's just all about patience. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.